right, I am here today to show you our brand new subscription box. Can you believe it? This one is number 42 and it's all about ribbon threading. Now, what you're going to be able to do is make a minimum of 18 cards, but in total, there's over 95 elements. So let's dive in and let's see exactly what you're going to be getting. Now, always nicely packaged. It's going to work in with your previous subscription boxes. But let's open up. You do, as always, get a lovely welcome and a thank you from Sarah. But the excitement is all about the products inside. Now, if we show you the metal dies, this is what it's all about, the ribbon threading. So in total, you do get 6 dies, but it's actually 2 individual designs. So they're going to create 2 different designs when it comes to ribbon threading. So that is your dies. Then what you're going to be getting is 12 clear acrylic sentiment stamps. So you've got yay, you've got birthday wishes, celebrate, hello, and so much more. Then it's ribbon threading, so you need ribbon. So what you have got in total, when it comes to the ribbon, you're getting 10 reels. Now, you're getting 5 colours, but then you're getting 5 in the satin and 5 in the organza. That's going to enable you to create your projects. We are going to be giving you your card blanks. Now, when it comes to the card blanks, you're going to be getting 18 in total. So you're going to be getting 9 that are 6 by 6, and then you're going to be getting another 9. These ones are A6 in size. Having the card blanks, that does mean you're going to need the envelopes. So once again, you get 9 in the 6 by 6 and you get 9 in the A6. To complement them, to create your backgrounds, you're going to need your cardstock. So we're going to show you your 8 by 8 cardstock that you've got. All coloured. These ones here, you're getting 15 sheets. Now you're getting 5 colours and you're getting 3 of each colour. So that's going to enable you to do all your backdrops for your mats and layers. And then to complement the cardstock, you're getting pattern papers. Now look at these ones here. You have got an array of different designs and colour tones. Within these ones here, you're getting 18 sheets, you're getting 6 designs, and you're getting 3 of each. So as you can see, from the pattern papers, from the dies, you can be creating simple cards, detailed cards. You can create elegant cards if you want. It's all about the ribbon threading. Super easy to thread through and super easy to get creative with. All of these can be done using what is our brand new subscription box number 42, and it's all about a ribbon threading.